Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or fast forward your videos on KineMaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device, and you may open up any new project or your existing ones from your project browser. Now, once you are within the edit page, you can start adding your assets from the media as well as the audio section. Now, after adding your videos, if you wish to speed up or fast forward your video, just tap on the video that you want to speed up. You will now see the speed settings at the top. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can use the slider in order to manually define your speed, or you can use the speed indicator at the top. Tap on your desired speed level, and if you wish to remove the audio, then you can tap on mute audio. Otherwise, make sure keep pitch is enabled, and now your video has been sped up based on your chosen settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fast forward or speed up your videos on KineMaster. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.